OhmniClean provides the most powerful and consistent form of UVC disinfection available, but you don't have to take our word for it. Using dosimeter cards provided by Intellego technology, you can perform regular efficacy audits to ensure you're hitting your desired levels of disinfection. The process couldn't be easier. Once your room is mapped, place the dosimeter cards on any location in the space. Some suggested high-touch surfaces for placement include bedside tables, remote controls, and toilet seats. Next, run the disinfection as you normally would. When the dosimeter cards are exposed to UV light, they will change to a corresponding color, depending on the amount of dose they receive. Once completed, Intellego's easy-to-read results will help you determine if certain areas require a longer duration of disinfection or if a room needs to be remapped for better coverage. OhmniLabs is committed to providing safer, healthier spaces, and using the Intellego dosimeters is just one of the many ways we achieve that goal.